Hi all, hope you are doing good and safe. Welcome to our channel NicheProducts. So far we have discussed more on different screen recording tools, YouTube related tools, Google tools and Chrome extension tools which are very useful for students, business owners and many individuals working from and all. So today I'm going to cover more on the audio recording tools which might be useful for especially again YouTubers and students, voiceovers, and also singers, playback singers who are learning singing and instrumentals like keyboard, violin, and all. These tools can be recorded themselves while playing their singing as well as violin or keyboards and test themselves whether those are performing well or not to check. So this way, not only those related things, there are many other things like voiceovers. I mean, if you're having a cooking channel and you did everything, and then you want to do a voiceover, and you can do that voiceover using the free audio recording softwares as well as some paid versions too. So they, I mean, they see definitely every software or tool they would be having some free versions, basic versions, or else for a limited period or for 5 minutes period or for a 1 month period, they will be having a free time. So this way, I mean, it increases the user adaptability for their softwares. That's why everyone wants to give some free versions for some certain period of time. So you can best utilize of those softwares till you are comfortable with a particular software, and then depending on the features and depending on the many price and other things, you can always purchase the best suits for you. So the tools which I'm telling are more related to iOS and Windows and versions, and these are used by many people. Many users are using, and many companies are using it. And these are Free Sound Recorder, Audacity, Ocean Audio, Adobe Audition, FL Studio, Giant Wave. These have their own capabilities in terms of recording and features. Free sound recorder is free and as well as paid versions, and it records video as well as notes and text and other things, and has advanced capabilities also. Audacity has their own capabilities in terms of it is very professional audio recording software, as well as at the same time it compresses the background noise, and Ocean Audio records also many professional people uses this, and also it records very large files. That is the advantage. Adobe Audition is used by many bigger companies, and FL Studio has their own features in terms of visual representation, and as well as the singing by singers and playback keyboards and all. It will automatically have that keyboards while having that audio recording. So this way, I mean, it helps. FL Studio has their own features. So Giant Wave has again is also useful for many audio recording people, for many people. So these are all the different audio recording softwares. I would suggest you to go and explore them and see which one best suits you. Thanks all for watching this video. So far we covered on many different tools in previous videos and this video also. I would request you to subscribe this channel if you like this video or my previous videos. In this way it gives me boost in doing more videos like this, which are useful for all the industries. Going forward, these tools are going to be the front runner for any industry. Without these tools, I mean, no business is going to run. I mean, it depends on the industry to industry. I mean, every industry do not need all these tools. Some IT tools requires for some business, and for IT tools requires some other business industry. So it all based on the industry specific. So for sales and other marketing and all other related tools have for every industry it needs. But these recording tools and all, some industries only need. So this way, I mean, it might be helpful for Some people are, some may not, may be using already, some want to explore them. So I would request you to go over these and try starting doing it. In terms of recording and features, free sound recorder is free, and as well as paid versions, and it records video as well as notes and text and other things, and has advanced capabilities also. Audacity has their own capabilities in terms of like it is very professional audio recording software, as well as at the same time it compresses the background noise, and Ocean Audio records also many professional people uses this, and also it records very large files. That is the advantage. Adobe Audition is used by many bigger companies, and FL Studio has their own features in terms of like visual representation, and as well as the singing by singers and playback keyboards and all. It will automatically have that keyboards while having that audio recording. So this way, I mean, it helps. FL Studio has their own features. So Giant Wave has again is also useful for many audio recording people, for many people. So these are all the different audio recording softwares. I would suggest you to go and explore them and see which one best suits you.